Hello. These are directions for how to make a Padlet. The first thing, if you do not have a Padlet account, you need to open one. It is padlet.com, Padlet.com, and just go ahead and sign up. It is free. You can use any email you want. Once you have your account set up, it will open up. It will look like this. You will not have Padlets here unless you have already had an account and you have already made Padlets. Regardless of whether you have Padlets there or not, you're going to click up here on this pink button that says Make a Padlet. There's different formats to the Padlet. We want a shelf format, which is this royal blue one. So look for shelf, royal blue, select. And it just sort of randomly assigns the background, which you can change. I'm going to show you in a minute. The title you can also change. So I want you to title it the grade level that you plan to teach, and then put classroom management plan. If you are middle school or high school, you could put the subject area or you could put the grade level. You could put like 9th grade math classroom management plan, or you could put high school math classroom management plan, whichever is fine with me. I just want to know who you're creating the plan for, because of course an appropriate plan for pre-K is going to look very different than appropriate plan for high school students. And then description, you can either leave blank, leave what they already have there, or just put EDU 425. Whatever you want is fine with me. I'm not really that worried about that. The wallpaper, if you wish to change it, you can just click here. You can choose from all the options here, or you can add your own wallpaper. And so if you upload, I've already uploaded a couple, but if you want to upload one, you're going to go to pick a file, and then it will take you to your computer. So, if you have something you see that you like, save it on your computer and you can upload it that way. So I'm going to use this chalkboard one. And then once I've picked my background, I'm going to go back. You can also choose your, it's limited with the free ones, but you can choose your fonts and your, if you want it dark or light. Mine's kind of defaulting dark because my background is dark. So once you get that all set up the way you want it, click next, and then click start posting. And then you're going to label your columns. The first one is room arrangement. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Luckily, it gives me a little warning. You're going to do first day. There are 8 headings you're going to do. I've also listed those in Google Classroom. If you forget, you can also pause this and save it. Or pause it, do yours, and then come back to the video. Whatever works for you. Procedures. Now, this plan is something we're going to be working on throughout the semester. It is the biggest project in the class. For this module, we are just setting it up. Connection plan is the next column. I can scoot it down. It will go on pretty endlessly with columns. I've never seen anyone managing behaviors is one. Whoops. Behaviors. I have a hard time talking and typing at the same time, as you can see. Managing behaviors, connecting with families, and finally, before school starts. Okay, so once you have that, you've created your Padlet. The last thing you're going to do is copy the URL. So go down, copy. You're going to go into Google Classroom. It will look like, let me go back one so you'll see what it looks like when you come in. So go into Classroom. So you're going to see Module 1, September 1. Go to Padlet. Open this spreadsheet. Type in your last name, your first name, and then paste your URL link. And that is all. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.